Welcome to the policypass video training module on the snake safety policy. This policy minimises the risk of snake encounters and ensures everyone knows how to respond safely if a snake is sighted on the premises. The aim of this policy is to educate children, staff and families about snake safety and awareness, prevent snake bites through proactive yard maintenance and safety checks, provide clear procedures for responding to snake sightings or bites, and support ongoing communication and review of safety practices. Implementation includes regularly inspecting grounds for water sources and hiding places, especially during snake season, keeping grass short and removing debris or potential snake habitats, conducting snake safety drills and educating the community through meetings and newsletters, and displaying contact details for licensed snake handlers and first aid procedures. Management responsibilities include leading risk assessments and maintaining a documented snake safety plan, ensuring staff receive regular first aid and snake safety training, communicating sightings and safety updates to families and staff promptly, and maintaining records of sightings, drills and responses. Educators and staff are responsible for supervising children closely and teaching snake safety behaviours, never approaching or attempting to handle snakes, moving children away quietly and reporting sightings immediately, and following all emergency and first aid procedures as trained. Families are responsible for reading and understanding the snake safety policy and updates, teaching children safe behaviours around snakes at home and outdoors, communicating any concerns or relevant information to the service, and following instructions during snake-related incidents or lockdowns. By working together, we create a safe, informed and prepared environment for everyone during snake season and beyond. Thank you for watching this training module on the snake safety policy. Let's continue to prioritise awareness, prevention and calm responses to keep every child, family and staff member safe.